Hi everyone, welcome to StunnerShare. So in this video, what we are going to see is Nifty using Camarilla as well as one of the weekly reversal setup which I got alert, and we'll discuss that as well. Clear. So this is Nifty's chart today. Okay. So first of all, let's hide these candles. So what do you guys see? So it is a higher value Camarilla relationship. So if a higher value Camarilla relationship happens, what is the possibility scenarios? Try to comment in the comment section so that I can just understand that whether you guys are like also know what is mean by higher value and what is the possibility of that. Anyways, let me also repeat it. So the possibility is like if suppose open above H4, pull back towards H4, H4, H3, and then moving up is possible. If suppose move, below H3 and above L3, then uh, like take a support and move upward. This is one scenario. And if it is like open below L3 and L4, then any pullback towards L3 is going to be a shorting. So only these three scenarios are possible for if it is a higher value scenario. Okay. So now let us see. So what has happened is like this one candle, it looks like it is like closed below the L3, and we have to, what we need to do is like we need to wait for a scenario to get a pullback towards L3 and then start rejecting it. But after that, the second candle itself formed a bullish engulfing scenario. So here again, it closed above the L3. So and again, it's like any pullback towards L3 is going to be a buying scenario, or you can go with a proper breakout also. So this is what has happened. So even I was not very sure like after these two candles, because I thought the exits was also negative. So I thought okay, the market might take a rejection at this L3 and then start moving down. But again, if you guys see, the next candle was a bullish engulfing candle. So it made me to wait rather than going for an entry. It made me to wait, and ultimately, this particular candle closed above the previous day high as well as the H4. So H4 is going to be the breakout layer, and after that, market started rallying upwards. Clear. So now people, those who are like bit confused, like I'm not sure like how to take an entry, because there are many chats I could see. They were saying like I was waiting for an entry towards L3 and then take a buy entry, but that did not happen. And after a breakout, I thought a retest and took an entry, and that did not happen. These all the things they were saying. So what I would say is like, okay, if you are not able to understand properly about the Camarilla and the relationship and how it is performing, I would tell you like check for any week reversal setup. And this is the one week reversal setup I got it today. So May 31st, 2021 at 2 p.m. I got a week reversal setup, and that is nothing but this candle. Clear? So what are the possible scenarios? First of all, the trend is upside. So the week reversal setup, if it is in the upside, you can go for an upside move. Yeah, we have got a bullish week reversal setup only. And then if you guys see, it is also taking support at some sort of consolidation zone. Yeah, this was a consolidation zone, because if you see large number of candles over there, and because this candle, if you see, it is like roaming here. So that is why I said this is a consolidation zone. But if you see, it is moving upside. So that is why we don't consider this. So it has taken support at some sort of consolidation zone. Okay, that's looking good. So that is how the trade has happened, and it gave nearly 1:1 ratio, more than that. So the possibility of understanding Camarilla is a bit confusing, but if you have a good amount of experience and a good amount of knowledge on Camarilla, you can go for it. So for me, it's like if you have missed the Camarilla, at least you would have got your trade using big reversal setup. So I would tell you like wait for some possible scenarios, stick to one strategy, and check what is performing, and that will give you a good amount of returns. So that's it from my end on Camarilla, as well as the, what is it called, weekly reversal setup. Let me tell you the tomorrow scenario, what might happen here. Give me here. Okay, got it. So okay, so this Camarilla is 2 days, and this Camarilla is tomorrow. Again, one scenario is like it is a higher value relationship, so the bias is bullish. But again, if you just see, the width between the H3 and L3 is bigger. So if the width between the H3 and L3 is bigger, then you need to be very cautious. It might become a sideways day as well, or trading range day, because if it is suppose breaking opening one second, let me draw. if suppose the candles are opening between H3 and L3, then any pullback towards L3 is going to be a buying opportunity, and any reject towards H3 is going to be a selling opportunity. So the market might revolve like this. Clear. And in the case if suppose the market is again going for a gap up and above H3, then any pullback towards L3 is going, H3 is going to be a buying opportunity. And in a worst case, if there is a gap down, and unfortunately if you see any rejection of the L3, then you can go for a selling side for an sell side and the downside. Yeah, so these are the three possible scenarios which I'm expecting for tomorrow, and just apply some sort of with relationship also. Today's Camarilla was very narrow comparing to previous Camarilla and previous Camarilla also. So this is today's Camarilla was somewhat narrow, and we could see a good trending nature. Okay, so and this Camarilla is having a bigger width, so you need to be very cautious because I'm expecting some trading range day, or what is it called as a sideways day for tomorrow. Okay, so that's it for my side. So if you feel the content is good, kindly give a like, and if you feel the knowledge needs to be shared to others, I don't think you can be able to share it to others because what to say, this is something only for members. So I would tell you guys, if you have any feedback, kindly comment, and also just share your analysis while you're watching the video. Also, if you could see something, or you have some analysis, or you have some explanation on this, so try to comment in the comment section. I can also help you out on that. Clear? So thanks a lot. Stay tuned for more videos.